Thanks for joining Tools Inspector. Let's dive into today's awesome selection of Amazon car gadgets of 2026. Number 1. When you're driving off-road, reducing tire pressure quickly can make a huge difference in traction and control. The all-top adjustable auto-stop tire deflator valve kit is designed to make that process effortless. These screw-on deflators automatically stop releasing air once the preset PSI is reached, saving time and ensuring accuracy every time. Built from durable materials, they are made to withstand harsh off-road conditions. Number 2. Loading heavy lawn equipment or motorcycles into a shed or garage can be frustrating and risky without the right ramp. This heavy-duty shed ramp is built to handle loads up to 1,500 pounds, making it perfect for riding mowers, bikes, tractors, and more. The anti-slip punch plate surface provides strong traction, helping prevent slips while loading. Its sturdy construction ensures long-term durability even with frequent heavy use. Number 3. Imagine turning your vehicle into a comfortable campsite in just minutes. The Thule Outset Hitch-Mounted tent attaches directly to your vehicle's hitch and creates a spacious sleeping area for up to 3 people. Unlike traditional rooftop tents, it sets up at ground level while still staying securely attached to the vehicle. The design allows easy setup and quick detachment when you want to explore with your car. Its weather-resistant materials keep you protected from rain and wind during outdoor adventures. Number 4. Cooking outdoors becomes incredibly convenient with the HitchFire Ultimate Cook Station. This innovative setup mounts directly to your vehicle's hitch, transforming the back of your car into a complete outdoor kitchen. It features a durable grill system that is perfect for camping trips, tailgating events, or roadside meals during long journeys. The strong steel construction ensures stability while cooking, even in outdoor environments. Number 5. Transporting heavy tools, soil, or equipment around your property becomes much easier with a Brinly tow-behind utility cart. With a large 10 cubic foot capacity and the ability to carry up to 650 pounds, this trailer is built for serious hauling tasks. The compression-molded poly bed is extremely durable and resistant to rust or corrosion. It attaches easily to lawn tractors or ATVs using a convenient magnetic hitch pin system. The dump feature allows quick unloading without extra effort. Number 6. Dirty or dull wheels can make even a clean car look neglected. The SPTA polishing cone kit helps restore shine and detail to wheel hubs and tight spaces that are difficult to reach. These sponge polishing cones attach directly to a standard household drill, transforming it into an efficient polishing tool. The soft yet durable materials help apply polish evenly without scratching the surface. Number 7. Working underneath a vehicle can be uncomfortable without the right support. The M-Auto folding creeper rolling seat offers both a lying creeper and a sitting roller chair in one smart design. With 6 swivel casters, it glides smoothly across garage floors while providing stable support. The adjustable frame allows you to switch between positions depending on the job. Built with a strong steel structure, it supports up to 330 pounds with ease. Number 8. If you want your car to look like it just came out of a professional detailing shop, the Chemical Guys 14-piece car wash kit delivers everything you need. This complete detailing set includes soaps, waxes, microfiber towels, applicators, and a foam blaster that connects to a garden hose. Each product is designed to clean, protect, and enhance your vehicle's finish. The included wash bucket helps keep everything organized during cleaning sessions. Number 9. Helping a dog climb into a tall vehicle can be difficult, especially for older pets. This heavy-duty dog ramp provides a safe and stable way for dogs to enter SUVs or trucks without jumping. The anti-slip surface ensures pets maintain grip while walking up or down the ramp. Its sturdy construction supports dogs up to 100 pounds while remaining lightweight enough to carry. The ramp also helps reduce strain on a dog's joints and spine. Number 10. A car interior can feel completely different with the right atmosphere. This smart car air freshener diffuser combines fragrance with ambient lighting to enhance your driving experience. It features a 50 milliliters perfume container that can last up to 6 months, filling the cabin with long-lasting scent. The built-in Starry Sky projector creates a relaxing visual effect across the interior. With RGB, music sync lighting, and automatic on-off detection. Number 11. When it comes to off-road recovery, reliability is critical. The Factor 55 Flatlink replaces traditional winch hooks with a stronger and safer shackle mounting system. Designed with an impressive maximum load of 16,000 pounds and ultimate failure strength exceeding 40,000 pounds, it provides exceptional durability. The compact design also helps prevent loose hooks from rattling or damaging the vehicle. Number 12. Driving a Tesla can become even more advanced with this smart head-up display dashboard. Designed specifically for Tesla Model 3 and Model Y vehicles, the 8.9-inch display provides important driving information directly in front of the driver. It supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing seamless smartphone integration. The system also includes a front camera for additional visibility and safety. Number 13. Flat or underinflated tires can quickly ruin a trip if you don't have the right tool. The OlarHike portable tire inflator offers a powerful and convenient solution with up to 150 psi pressure capability. It supports both 12V car power and a built-in cordless battery, giving you flexible use anywhere. The digital pressure gauge allows precise inflation with automatic shutoff once the desired pressure is reached. Number 14. Lifting a vehicle safely is essential for maintenance and repairs. This heavy-duty hydraulic floor jack offers a strong 3-ton capacity, making it suitable for most cars, SUVs, and light trucks. The fast lift system raises the vehicle quickly, saving time during garage work. Its durable steel construction provides excellent stability and long-term reliability. Smooth rolling wheels allow easy positioning under the vehicle. For anyone who performs DIY car repairs, this jack is an essential garage tool. Number 15. Your vehicle's security becomes much stronger with a Volam 4G LTE cellular dash cam. This advanced camera provides live streaming and remote viewing through mobile connectivity. It records both inside and outside the vehicle while using AI motion detection to monitor suspicious activity. The built-in GPS tracking allows you to locate your car in real time if needed. Cloud storage keeps important recordings safe even if the camera is damaged. If you enjoyed these smart car gadgets, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel.